Hello and welcome to the Student Assessment Office's short instructional video series on managing the Spring 2015 Park Assessment on Pearson Access Next. This video demonstrates the student registration file export. After logging on to Pearson Access Next, make sure the correct test administration and organization are selected in the black bar along the top of the screen. If Park Operational Spring PBA 2015 does not appear, click on the text to select it. If you're a district level user, you can export all students in your district or only the students in one school. To export all students in the district, make sure the district name appears. If you want to export students at a school, click on your organization's name and select the school from the list that appears. If you're a school level user, you can only export students from your school. Now that the correct test administration and organization are selected, we can begin the file export process. To do this, click the Setup tab and then select Import/Export Data from the list of choices. Notice that when you hover on a choice, a short description of the task appears. Now, click Import/Export Data. The next screen that appears is the Import/Export Data task screen. Here, we will click on the Select Taskbar, select the Import/Export Data checkbox, and click Start. The next screen that appears is the Import/Export Data selection screen. This is where you indicate the type of file to export. Click the Type box, select Student Registration Export. Leave the Test Status Filter field blank. Click Process. The next screen that appears is the View File Details screen. This screen shows you the details and status of your request. While your request is processing, the status will be pending. Click the Refresh button above the status to update the screen. When the file is ready for download, the status will change to Complete, and a download file link will appear. The status screen also shows you the number of records that were exported. Please remember that the student registration file contains 2 records for each student, one for the ELA test and one for the math test. This means that the number of records exported on this screen will be twice the number of students registered for the spring test. To download the file and save it on your computer, click Download File and locate the file on your computer. The student registration file export is now complete.